and welcome.
Welcome to our adventurous and exciting journey of Young Journals,
where the news is of the people, for the people, but by the youth. I'm YJ Vishal.
And I am YJ Navya from Ryan International School, Kundanahalli, Bengaluru.
And we will be your hosts for this segment of this super exciting episode.
So before we show you this episode of Young Journals, let's take a quick look at the story lineup. Rhinites and HelpAge India make it a day to remember for the elderly.
Transforming the community the Rhine way.
And a look at Bollywood's top grossers of 2016. Our first story of the day will take your breath away.
When most youngsters run away from the older generation, we Rhinites reached out to them.
Yes, on the occasion of the International Day of the Elderly, we decided to walk with them so that we could raise awareness about their difficulties and needs.
Rhinites, along with HelpAge India, organized a walkathon from Mumbai's iconic Marine Drive to Nana Nani Park. YJ Krish tells us all about it.
Here we are at Girgaon and the atmosphere is electric. And here we are going to be celebrating the International Old Persons Day.
Today is 1st October, International Day of Older Person. First of all, wishes to all senior citizens and all society members because it's the day of celebration of old age. Today, on behalf of HelpAge India, we have organized a program where we specially entertain these youngsters and older together. The intention of this program was to restore that intergenerational bond.
ज्येष्ठ नागरिक संघ मुलुंड are happy to announce that FESCOM and all other our ज्येष्ठ नागरिक संघ are participating in this winning spirit by walkathon on Girgaon Chowpatty organized by FESCOM.
मला अच्छा लगता है हम लोग इधर आए मैं 15 ऑगस्ट 1947 जन्म है स्वातंत्र्य दिवस दिवशी मेरे को अच्छा लगता है ये सब लगता है ताई भाऊ
You all are the young generation, we have more expectations from you to be good when you're to look after your old people. It is a day of celebration and HelpAge India always support for such cause. ESCOM, FESCOM and Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, they also join with us.
The International Senior Citizen Day is going to celebrate today in the Maharashtra and in all the country. And we are very bounded to adopt the senior citizen policy which is adopted by the government of Maharashtra. It is already adopted by government of India. I am the social justice minister here, committed to implement all the policies included in senior citizen policy which is implemented by the government in 2013.
बचपना आता है और चला जाता है, जवानी आती है और चली जाती है, लेकिन बुढ़ापा आता है तो जाता है क्या? नहीं, इसीलिए इस बुढ़ापे का ख्याल रखना और उसका सम्मान करना और खुशी खुशी के साथ बुढ़ापे में रहना ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है.
We want to show the society that today we require our grandparents, and at the same time we are also showing that grandparents needs their grandchildren also.
इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के बच्चों का जो परफॉर्मेंस था, तो मुझे लगता है बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस उन लोगों ने यहाँ पे किया। उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।
मैंने ज़िंदगी के बहुत साल अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ निकाले हैं, तो उनकी वैल्यूज़ और ये सब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और ये मैं उनको नमस्कार और बहुत अभिवादन देना चाहूँगी। उनकी वजह से हम हैं, हमारी पीढ़ी है।
The Ryan International School has taken a very good part in this program. The students, they are given the best cultural program which entertain all the senior citizens. They got a lot of blessings and support from the senior citizens. So I wish these Ryan International Schools all the best, and students, you rocked very well and you made a difference in the life of these elderly people. Thank you very much.
Happy Grandparents' Day. Yo!
It was indeed a pleasure to be here and witness all the grandparents. On this note, this is Vijay Krish signing off for Young Journalists.
What were you doing on the International Day of the Elderly? When was the last time you told your grandparents you loved them?
It's never too late. Go tell them now as we take this quick break.
Coming up on the other side, transforming the community the Ryan way. Keep watching
Young Journals on Topper TV.
Welcome back. Education defines us. It teaches us to be smart and academically proficient. And the Ryan Group also teaches us that the head and the heart must work as one. That is why through our schools, we reach out in the community around us to help in whichever way possible. And this week's community transformation project is very different. It will change the way you think about school, students and parents. Watch and be inspired.
When I hear the word jail, it sends a chill down my spine. Fortunately, I'm on the right side of the bar.
Usually, you don't see school students in jail. You might be curious to know why we are here. We are here at Dasna Jail, Ghaziabad. Come along with us to find out more.
Whole idea of community transformation, this was conceptualized by our founder chairman sir, Dr. Augustine Francis Pindo, and in the G6 meeting we all were told that we need to work for the community, and the survey of our entire region had to be done by the students. Once the students went into the jail, they were able to see the conditions of the people who stay in the jail.
When I entered the jail, I was stunned to see what we see in movies or what we study in our textbooks was a completely different thing of what we saw there.
पिक्चरों में बहुत देखा है कि किसी को सजा हुई कि 3 महीने की सजा 500 रुपए का जुर्माना या 4 महीने की सजा 1000 रुपए का जुर्माना। आप ऐसी कल्पना कर सकते हैं कि सजा पूरी होने के बाद में 500, 1000 या 200 रुपए देने के लिए भी नहीं होते कैदियों पर।
We went to the women's chamber and they had little children with them. The children who are below 6 years of age are to stay with their mother who are in the jail.
वहाँ की मैडम के थ्रू जब ये जेल में गए हैं देखने के लिए, तो इसने बहुत सवाल इसके मन में आए, बहुत सवाल इसने मेरे से पुटअप किए, जिसमें कि इसने मेरे से ये भी पूछा कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे बिना माँ बापों के वहाँ रहते हैं पापा, उनकी दवाइयों की व्यवस्था कैसा होती होगी, जब वो बीमार होते होंगे उन्हें चीज़ नहीं मिलती।
There was a need for stationery, they required old books and clothes, all these things which women inmates required.
We fight with our parents for things such as mobile phones. We want a new phone, every new phone which is launching in the market. But the people over there, they are just happy with a toffee or with a chocolate. They are happy, they're even happy that we are coming there to help them. And this completely changed my mind.
रोटरी और रैन ने मिलकर बहुत ऐसे काम किए हैं जिनको कि अगर कोई समझने वाला हो तो दिल से समझ सकता है, अगर वो समझेगा तो निश्चित रूप से उसकी आंखें भी भर आएंगी।
So, as we all know that our school students have conducted many programs inside the jail, would you like to give us a feedback?
My feedback regarding this is very good, and that is the reason why I have thanked to Ryan International Society, Ryan family, Ryan School, particularly to the Ryan International Ghaziabad. They have done a wonderful work. They have brought the happiness on the faces of the children who are lodging here with their parents without any crime.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Just say one, okay?
Students of the Ryan International taught them how to read. They gave them gifts. They gave them copies. They gave them pencils. Many things they gave, and they conducted cultural programs. They conducted programs on the national occasions like 26 January, like 15th August.
हमने वहाँ पर फेस्टिवल्स के तीज सेलिब्रेट किया. वहाँ पर हमने सिलाई मशीन डोनेट की, जिनसे आज भी वो अपनी जीविका चला रहे हैं.
We also plan to give them the training for these training pots for bonsai and the cactus. Since there are few girls who are very good in painting and all, so we would like to use their expertise to paint them and make them as colorful as they can, and so that these ladies can earn a livelihood, and when they are released they'll have some money in their bank and utilize their time nicely.
I think that this is a good experiment, and this is the new experiment in the Uttar Pradesh, and I think it may be the new experiment in the India.
In one such visit only, I was interacting with the jail inmates. They showed requirement of health checkup camps there, and they were sharing their problems with me, that they are having various problems which are not, they are not able to solve those things. So I thought of arranging one health checkup camp there, and in collaboration with Rotary, we did this camp, and it was quite a success there, and they distributed so many things for their personal hygiene, and then we took help of one NGO being run by Dr. Madhu Gupta.
I contacted Ryan International. They were interested in me to go to Dasna jail. I believe the prisoners, they do not know how to look after themselves. So it was a nice interaction with the prisoners. There were about 70-80 of the women prisoners, and they were living in a very terrible conditions with no blankets. They didn't have the facility for bathing. They didn't know what to eat, what not to eat. So it was a privilege for me to interact with them and teach them how to look after themselves.
Students of any school like Ryan International School has come to the jail, and they have performed their duties out of school very well. I would like to thank all the Ryan International family, all the students of the Ryan Ghaziabad. Thank you.
When I came back, I shared it with my parents, and I told them that they crave for little things, and we fight with you for everything apart from it, and then too you fulfill our desires, you fulfill everything that comes out of our mouth. So I tend to value my parents, my teachers, my schools more. I tend to value that I am studying in such a beautiful school. So it completely changed the mindset which I had.
So it was again something which really touched the lives of our Ryanites, because they became sensitive towards the community, and they also realized that how important it is for each one of us to work for the welfare of the society.
Was just a glimpse of what we Ryanites are doing to make their lives a little bit better.
And I think we might be the only school who's doing social service inside a jail. On this note, this is YJ Rohan.
And this is YJ Fiza signing off from Dasna jail.
With that, it's time for another short break. Don't go away, we'll be right back. Coming up on the other side is a segment on entertainment. Stay tuned to Young Journals on Topper TV. segment is reserved for entertainment. Right, that takes us to the world of Bollywood. We are nearly at the end of the year, so we thought of taking a look at some of the top grossing films of 2016. YJ's Aaron and Ashwata from Bengaluru bring you the list.
The year 2016 saw a variety of genres at Bollywood, as it dazzled its audience with its fantastical action-packed movies like Action Jackson and Brothers. This year we got to see many biopics like Neerja, Sarabjit, Rustom, Azhar and MS Dhoni The Untold Story. We also got to see comedy movies like Houseful 3 and Kiyanka. But which of these were the biggest grossers at the box office? Here's a look at the top 5 box office collections and more importantly where these were the audiences enjoyed watching. Name your favorite Bollywood movie of 2016.
My favorite movie of 2016 is Pink.
Pink.
Pink movie.
You are a woman. Till date, Pink has collected about 60 crores and is being hailed as a super hit.
असली पहलवान की पहचान अखाड़े में नहीं,
But did you know that the movie Sultan is the top grossing movie of 2016, earning nearly 300 crores?
Airlift.
Airlift.
That was spot on because Airlift also happens to be the second most earning movie of the year, making more than 129 crores at the box office.
आदमी की फितरत ही ऐसी है इब्राहिम, चोट लगती है ना तो आदमी मामा ही चिल्लाता है सबसे पहले.
Rustom for Evergreen Akshay Kumar.
Rustom.
That's what made this movie the top third grossing movie. Akshay Kumar's Rustom, earning close to 127 crores.
लेकिन अब समझ में आया, वो एक सोची समझी चाल थी.
मतलब बाजी जीतने से है, फिर चाहे प्यादा कुर्बान हो या फिर रानी.
MS Dhoni The Untold Story.
MS Dhoni Untold Story.
MS Dhoni.
This made MS Dhoni The Untold Story the top fourth grosser of the year 2016, earning nearly 109 crores till date.
ये तीनों अब ODI टीम में फिट नहीं बैठ रहे.
जो धोनी को प्रमोट करता है, धोनी उसी को आज बाहर करना चाहता है.
Dishum. But another funny movie made it to the 5th spot this year, Houseful 3, which managed to earn 107 crores.
Hey, pass the ball. Yes.
Movies like Kapoor and Sons, Bhagi and Mohenjo-daro attracted large audiences. Yes, many movies might not have been able to make it to the top 5, but they did win the hearts of many, keeping the movie's buzz alive. This is reporter Aaron and this is reporter Ashwata with camera person Charan signing off for Beyond Breaking News.
This is something out of the ordinary. Watch and enjoy.
Our nation is developing.
There are so many beneficial schemes launched.
Yes, for farmers.
Yes, National Agricultural Market.
Yeah, for women.
Yes, empowering Nari Shakti. Yes, for girl child.
Yes, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ अभियान.
For you.
Yes, Skill India, Digital India. Hey, listen! You're talking about so many schemes. But what you all are doing? Forget about the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
अगर एक बार 125 करोड़ देशवासी तय कर ले कि मैं गंदगी नहीं करूंगा, तो दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं है जो हिंदुस्तान को गंदा कर सके.
With that, we come to the end of this bulletin. Here are the weekly reminders. This is YJ Jasmine. This is YJ Sai Chiranya from Ryan International School, Kundhanili, Bengaluru. See you next week, same time, same place. Till then, keep watching Young Journals, where the news is of the people, for the people, but by the youth. Goodbye and take care.
Here we are at Girgaon and the atmosphere is electric. And here we are going to be celebrating the International Old Persons Day. So here we are going to... क्या बोलूँ मैं?
When I hear the word jail, it sends a chill down my spine. Fortunately, I'm on the right side of the bar.
Usually you might.
The year 2016 saw a variety of genres at Bollywood. Sorry, cut.